Hello everyone, Camille here from Morfosoaps. Thank you very much for joining me with this soap making video today, and welcome to the making of mango bubble tea soap by Morfosoaps. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Today's soap is inspired by the mango bubble tea drink. As usual, we started by mixing the color and then pouring the batter, preparing it, mixing the oils, butters with kaolin clay, aloe vera juice, coconut milk, and colloidal oatmeal. And then we added the lye water solution, and then we're splitting off the batter. For this soap, I'm using the orange color, and then I'm keeping the other portion without any color to represent the milk, and the orange is representing the mango in the drink of the mango bubble tea. So we started by pouring a little bit of the uncolored portion, and then I had prepared the day before some black piping soap, which will be cut into small circles to represent the tapioca pearls or the bobas. If you have ever drank the bubble tea, you know that they usually add on the bottom of the drink some of they call them the bobas, which are tapioca pearls. As you can see, after I put the black bobas, I came to pour the batter, thinking that I'm gonna pour, but instead of pouring, I ended up just spooning it because it was really thick. And even when I went to the orange portion, it was even thicker. I had to kind of mix it a lot to be able to pour it. But it's okay. It was still workable. I still managed to have the soap into the mold. I ended up doing kind of layers, undefined layers, which gave the soap a nice shape, and the small bobas turned out really pretty. You will see the end result of the soap. After the pour, I did piping on top and added the embeds. I did black gumballs to represent the bobas, and then I put a slice of mango on top. If you watched my previous two videos for this month, the series, the drink series videos, I had really acceleration in each of them, the cucumber melon and the cucumber mint, but I believe this is even much more, and I thought these were accelerations until I saw what happened here in this soap. Like, as you can see, it's almost non-workable, but again, that's soap making. These are the surprises those fragrances give us. I used a very nice blend of fragrance oil. It smells really amazing. I think it's worth it. So you will see the description of the fragrance in the description box below. Now that's it. I'll leave you to watch the video. Until next week, I'll see you again with another soap making with another drink next week. I hope you enjoy your week. Stay safe, be well, smile, be positive, do something you enjoy doing. Keep always a positive attitude. This pays off. So have a good one, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.